Good evening, everyone. Let's continue our class of TET previous year question paper. Let's continue our class. Yes. Now see math and science. Yes. If 25% of 25% value is x is 25, then the value of x we have to find out. Now see the question: 25% of 25% of 25%. Yes, now you can see here. I'm writing the question here. 25% of 25% of 25% of x value is given 25. That means 25% of is nothing but here multiplication symbol. See, 25% can be written as 25 by 100 into 25 by 100 into 25 by 100 into x is equals to 25. So if we are going to cancel 25 ones are 25 fours are 25 ones are 25 fours are 25 ones are 25 fours are. Now in the denominator 4 into 4 into 4 4 fours are 16 16 fours are, we are getting the answer 64. So 1 by 64 into x is equals to 25. So if you are multiplying with 1 into x value becomes x by 64 is equal to 25. Take the denominator to the right hand side numerator, then x value will become 25 into 64. So x is equal to, if you multiply 64 into 25, so how much you are going to get? 25 4 is 100, 0 10 carry, 25 6 is 150 plus 10 160. So x value we are getting 1600. I can see here the x value is 1600. Now see question number 92. What is question number 92 is, if the price of a cooker including 5% VAT is 2940, then its price before adding the VAT, how much you are getting the amount before adding the VAT, he is asking. Now see 5%, if I am removing like this, so 5% of 2940 if I am doing 5%, means 5 by 100 into 294 2940 0 will be get cancelled. 2 ones are 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 2 4 8 2 7 14. So if from the 2940, if I am subtracting 147, 10 minus 7 is 3, 13 minus 4 is 9, 8 minus 1 is 7, so we are getting the answer. So how I am doing this was easy, means see here 5% of VAT he is asking, is adding 5% of VAT. 5% is nothing but 5% can be written as 5 by 100. From which amount they have made the VAT taxes? From the price of the cooker. The cooker price is 2940. From this we are removing 5%, means 5% we are getting the answer 147. So from the total amount, if you subtract 147, we are getting the answer 2753. As I said, this is a very easy method to solve all the problems. Now see question number 93. So what is question number 93? If the perimeter of the rectangle is 28 meters and its area is 40 meters, find its length. Now see, perimeter is given. What is perimeter? How much is given? Perimeter is given as 28 meters and area is given as 40 meters square. We know the formula for area of a rectangle as well as perimeter of a rectangle. Now you can see in the question. So perimeter of a rectangle formula is 2 into L plus B. Area formula is length into breadth. First we are taking length into breadth. area is equals to 40 meters square. Length into breadth is equal to 40 meters. Now if I am taking a b to the denominator, L value becomes 40 by b meter square. Length is how much? 40 by breadth. If you are taking meter into meter, meter will be get cancelled. Meter square. Length value we are getting 40 by b. Now we know perimeter. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? 2 into L plus b is equals to 28 meters already given. Now if I am cancelling with 2 table, 2 ones are 2 14 times. 14 times we are cancelling this one. Length plus breadth is equal to how much we got? 14. Now we already know the length value is 40 by b. Length value if I am taking 40 by b plus breadth is equal to 14. Now do cross multiplication. 40 by b. For both you are getting the denominator b. Write on numerator 40 as it has. b into b become b square is equal to 14. Now take the denominator of the left hand side b to the right hand side numerator 14. So 40 plus b square is equal to 14b. Now take all the 14b to left hand side. B square minus 14b plus 40 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. As I said, 40 can be divided as 10 fours are 40, minus into minus you will get plus. Subtraction will be as it is. B square minus 10b minus 4b plus 40 is equal to 0. From both the terms take b common. Here we are getting b minus 10. From both the terms take minus 4 common. Here also we are getting b minus 10 is equal to 0. So b minus 10, b minus 4 is equal to 0. Write down both the terms separately. B minus 10 is equal to 0. B minus 4 is equal to 0. B value we are getting here 10. B value we are getting 4. Why? Because minus if you take to right hand side become plus. Now finally what is asking? Length. Length here we are getting breadth 2. We have to check which answers here. Already we know length is equal to 40 by breadth. That means 40 by if you take b value 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 10 ja 40. Next. Again if length is equal to 40 by 4, 40 by 10. Yes. So 10 1 ja 10 4 ja. So here we can see here there are two options are given. How surprisingly? Answer number 2 answers. We got 2 answers. Out of these 2 you can choose any one answer. Now you can see question number 93. If 3 cubes of whose edges measurements are 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm are melted into the form of a cube, then the edge of the new cube is. See, where I'm going to draw the cuboids. 3 cubes whose edges. See, there are 3 cubes are given here, right over here. So first is I'm writing a cube like this. One cube and attach it to one other cube and attach it to another cube. So 3, 4 and 5 melted in the form of a cube. Then the edge of a new cube is. So if you join all these 3 you are getting the answer 12. 12 if you divided by how many cubes are there? We are having 3 cubes. If we are dividing with the 3 cubes, then we are going to get the answer 6. So if anyone knows the answer, please comment the answer in the comment box. Yes, if anyone knows the answer, please type the answer in the comment box. Now cube. Volume of the cube formula is a cube. So 3 cube value becomes 27. And second one 4 into 4 into 4. We are getting 64. and the third one 5 into 5 into 5, we are getting 125. If you add all the three, 125 plus 64 plus 27, if you add, you are getting the answer 216. By these three cube, why? Because cube volume of the cuboid. What is the volume of the cuboid formula? A into A into A. We all know why, because in the volume, length, breadth and height, all the three sides are equal. So now we are forming a new cube. That means A cube is equal to 216. Cube goes right hand side. A value you are getting 2 power of, sorry, A cube is equal to 216 can be written as 6 whole power of 3. Both 3 will be get cancelled. A value you are getting is 6. Now you can see the answer. A value we are getting the answer called as 6. Now see question number 94 over. Now we are coming to 95. Number of cuboid soaps. One cuboid soap is in the form of, see, very simple, 12 centimeter into 9 centimeter into 6 centimeter by another is 4 centimeter into 3 centimeter into 2 centimeter. Now if we cancel, 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 ones are 2 ones are 4 ones are 4 threes are centimeter will be get cancelled. 3 nines are how much you are getting the answer? 27. So very easy method to solve like this kind of problems when you are seeing especially these cuboids. The bigger cuboid by smaller cuboid you have to divide, that's it. Very simple. The upper bigger cuboid is 12 centimeter into 9 centimeter to 6 centimeters, and the smaller cuboid is 4 centimeter into 3 centimeter into 2 centimeter. దీర్ఘ ఘనాకార పెట్టెలో ఉంచగలిగిన 4 సెంటీమీటర్లు 3 సెంటీమీటర్లు 2 సెంటీమీటర్లు. మొదటి కొలత ఎంత? 12 సెంటీమీటర్లు 9 సెంటీమీటర్లు 6 సెంటీమీటర్ కొలతలు గల దీర్ఘ ఘనాకార పెట్టెలో ఉంచగలిగిన 4 సెంటీమీటర్లు 3 సెంటీమీటర్లు 2 సెంటీమీటర్ కొలత గల దీర్ఘ ఘనాకార సబ్బుల సంఖ్యలు ఎన్ని? సో 2 పెట్టెలు తీసుకున్నాం క్యూబాయిడ్ షేప్స్. సో దాంట్లో ఎన్ని సోప్స్ పట్టినాయి? ఇప్పుడు total we are getting how many soaps? You are getting 27 soaps will be fitted in that one. Next, the angle formed between the angular bisectors of a pair of linear pair is linear pair. Yes, of course it is 90 degrees. Sum of two angles, linear pair, see, is asking between angular bisectors. So pair of linear pair of linear pair is pair of linear angles is equal to 180 degrees. So which is called a linear pair? See, sum of two adjacent angles will form a linear pair. How we are getting the linear pair? Sum of two adjacent angles which is equals to linear pair. That means A plus B is equals to 180 degrees. A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. Now angle A plus angle B is equal to, we got 180 degrees. Angle bisectors means dividing into two equal parts. That's it. Angle A by 2 plus angle B by 2. What is meant by angle bisectors? Bisector is nothing but dividing into two equal parts. Dividing into two equal parts. That is called as angle bisector is equal to 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B by 2 is equal to 180 degrees by 2. Why? Because angle A plus angle B value we know how much? 180 degrees. So we are getting the answer called as 90 degrees. So option 3 is the correct answer, that is 90 degrees. Now see question number 97. Those who are interested to see all the previous year question papers of the TET exam, I have uploaded all the videos. Clearly you can go through the questions and you can get some of the answers clearly. I will upload the remaining subjects also compulsory. How I am explaining maths, I will upload English, science as well as both the languages if possible, as early as possible. Now in the month of November we are going to get, however we are going to write the TET examination. So be well prepared for everyone. All the best for everyone. Now see, we'll come back to question number 97. The median of a set of 7 distinct observations is 15. If each observation, if each of the largest 3 observations of the set increased by 3, what we are going to get the answer? 7 sets are there. 7 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is given? If each of the largest 3 observations of the set increased by 3. 3 observations means the largest 3 observations increased by 3. 6th, 7th and 5th, 6th and 7th is increased by 3. We have to find out the 4th observation. How much you are going to get the 4th observation? Yes, the 4th observation we are going to get the answer called as 97. Now see, this we got a question from arithmetic progression. Very simple. The sum of integers between 50 and 150 which are divisible by 7. For I am going to write the numbers which are divisible by 7. Between 50 and 150, the first is 7. 7 7 is 49. The first number itself, 7 8 is 56. 7 9 is 63. 7 10 is 70. Up to so on 147. This is the last number. Now we have to find out sum of the integers between, how many sums, sum of the integers we have to find out. That is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An value is given 147 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We know a 147 is equal to, what is a value? A value, n we have to find out lastly. A value is 56 plus n minus 1 into d value is how much? Difference is 7. Now take this side, 147 minus 56 is equal to n minus 1 by 7. 56, 147 minus 56, we are going to get the answer called as 91. So 91 equals to n minus 1 into 7, 7 1 is 7, 7 13 n minus 1 is equal to 13, minus 1 take to right hand side, n value will become 13 plus 1, it is becomes 14. Now we got an value, a 14 equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. How much you are going to get? A value is 56, n value is 14 minus 1, difference is 7. I think somewhere we are getting the wrong answer. 13 7 and 91, we are getting 147. Let me see the sum of the integers, n into n plus 1 by 2, I think. If anyone knows the answer, please type the answer in the comment box. See, I am going to explain this problem once again. The sum of the integers between, yes, we know the first value and second value, last value, Sn equals to n by 2 into a plus, sorry, this we are finding the nth term. This is nth term. Sum of n terms formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. We did the correct problem only. 14 by 2 into a value is 56, L value is 147. 2 1s are 2 7s are 14. 7 into, after addition we are going to get the answer 203. 203 into 7 we are getting 1421. So we got the answer called as 1421. Mean of 10 observations. Now see the question number 99. If the mean of the set of observations is x10 value is 20, x40 value is how much? x1 plus x4 plus is asking how much? So what is given in the question number 99 is given, see, mean value is given as 20. Mean is sum of xi by 10 is equal to 20. Why? Because I is equal to 1 to 10. Do cross multiplication. Sigma I is equal to 1 to 10. Xi is equal to 200. We got the value 200. But the new observation is x1 plus 4, x2 plus 8, up to so on, x10 plus 40 is asking x10 plus 40 value is how much. For example, sigma I is equal to 1 to 4, xi plus 4i is equal to, if you write separately, sigma I is equal to 1 to 10, sigma xi plus sigma I is equal to 1 to 10, 44i. 4i means 40 you will get. However, we know the answer already. Here also we are doing the same. N value 20, A value we are having 4, L value is 40. Why? Because last week we know the last value is, if you take this one as a sum of n terms. Now see, if you do sum of n terms of all the values, what you are going to get the answer is, already Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. We know n value is 10 by 2 into A value 4 plus 40. 4 plus 40 will become 44. 5 is 5 into 4, 44 will get 220. So 220. Already we are having 200 plus 220. We are getting 420. 420 divided by total number of observations are 10. Finally, we are going to get the answer called as, the new mean is, answer is 42. Yes. Now see the question, next question. Now I am going to solve question number 100. Now see carefully. What is question number 100? If one of the exterior angle A triangle is 105 and the interior opposite angles are 2:5, then the angles of a triangle. Now see carefully, this is the triangle. If I am extending like this, so exterior angle is 105 degrees and the ratios is given. Is given two ratios and one angle is given. In the triangle, sum of three angles is equals to 180 degrees. Ratios I am taking as 2x plus 5x. Yes, 2x plus 5x is equal to 105 degrees. Why? Because one is exterior, both are interior. 7x is equal to 105 degrees. 7 1 is 7, 7, 7 15 the x value we are getting 15 degrees. 2x is how much? 2 into 15 degrees, we are getting 30 degrees. 5x is equal to 5 into 15 degrees, we are getting 75 degrees. Now final answer what we are getting? 30 plus 75 is 105 degrees and the remaining will be 75 degrees. So the remaining all the three angles are 30 degrees, 75 degrees as well as 75 degrees. That is the final answer. And this is very important. Three consecutive multiples. Sum of three consecutive multiples. What is asking? Sum of the three consecutive multiples is asking. Multiples of 7. For example, what are the multiples? X, x plus 1, x plus 2. These are the three, these are the three consecutive integers which are multiple by 7 means just multiply with 7. 7 for this one, 7 for this one, and 7 for this one. 7 into x become 7x. 7 into x, 7x plus 7 1 is 7. 7 into x, 7x plus 7 2 is 14. Sum, we have to do sum now. 7x plus 7x plus 7 plus 7x plus 14 is equal to 777. 7 plus 7 plus 7 become 21x plus 21 is equal to 777. 777 minus 21x is equal to 777 minus 21. So 21x equals to 756. 7 3s are 7 1 is 7, 7 8 is 56, 3 1 is 3 6 is 18. So x value we got how much? 6. We got x value 6. Then the biggest multiple is how much? 7x plus 14. 7 into 6 plus 7 3 is 21. 7 1 is 7. 7 8 is 56. 3 1 is 3 6 is 18. Wait. Sorry, 108 beta. Not 3 3 is 9. 3 6 is 18. So x value we got how much? 36. 7 into 36. 7 6 is 42. 2 4 carries. 7 3 is 21. 21 plus 4. 252 plus 7 is, the answer is 259. Now the biggest number is 101. Answer is 259. Now see next question. A room dimensions are 8 meters into 5 meters have a veranda all over. If the width of the veranda is 2 meters, then its area is. Width of the veranda. See, dimensions are given 8 into 5. 8 into 5 become 40 meters square. Now already we are having length. Now if it becomes the veranda, length plus 2 into width. So length plus 2 into 2. Length is 8 into 2 into 2. We are getting how much? 12. Another 5 plus 2 into 2. 5 plus 4 we are getting how much? 9. 12 9s are 108 meter square. So first one we got 40, second we got 104. 108 minus 40, we are getting 68 meters square. I can see the answer. 68 meters square is the answer. If the shopkeeper marks is good 20% above the cost price, 20% above the cost price, market price becomes how much? 120 rupees. Why? Because above the cost price. Cost price if it is 100, if it is 20% means it becomes 120. Then discount is 10%. 10% discount means how much? How you are going to write? 10% of 120. 10 by 100 into 120, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we are getting an answer 12 rupees. Market price is 120 rupees. Giving discount 12. So what is the final answer? 108 rupees. Now we have to find out the gain percentage. Gain percentage equals to profit by cost price into 100. What is the profit? Profit is 8 rupees. Sorry, profit is 12 rupees. Cost price is 108 rupees. One not 8 minus original price. No, okay, 8. So 8 by 108 into 100. How we are getting 8 means, see, market price we got 108. Original price is 100. So what is the profit? How much you are getting profit? 8 rupees. So cost price also 100. 100 will be get cancelled. So how much gain percentage we are getting? 8%. We are getting the profit called as 8%. So if you want to know about the previous videos of the TET examination, please do subscribe to our channel and follow the channel. Those who are writing TET exam, please share to them also. Near and dear friends or your family members, those who are completed their bachelor exam, those who are ready to write the teacher eligibility test as well as CTET. For both also, these questions are idea. For the idea purpose, we are solving all the problems. How you are going to get the question paper, you should have minimum knowledge about all the problems, how we are solving the problems. That's it. Now see question number 104. As per the law of physics, weight of an object on the moon is proportional to the weight of the earth. So question what is given? As per the law of physics, weight of an object on the moon is proportional to the weight of the object on the. If a man is 93 kgs weight, 93 kgs, 15.5 kgs on the moon, then the weight of 69 kgs of a moon on the moon is. See, very simple. A man weighs 15.5 kgs on the moon. Then the weight of a 16 kgs of a woman will becomes how much he is asking? Now see, weight of the moon. See, weight of the moon is directly proportional to the weight of the earth. So Wm is equals to, we are taking any constant into We. Weight of the moon is 15.5 kgs is equal to K into 93. 155 by 10 is equal to K into 93. So K is equal to 155 by 10 into 93. 5 2s are 10. Yes. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. 31 1s are 31 3s are. K value we are getting 1 by 6. We got K value 1 by 6. The weight of the woman is, so as it are weight of the woman. Weight of the woman. Here also same, weight of the woman is equals to, we have to find out constant into weight of the woman. Weight of the moon, 1 by 6 into 69. 1 is 6, 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6. So the weight of the woman is 11.5 kgs on the moon. The weight of the woman on the weight of the woman on the moon is 11.5 kgs. Now see question number 9105. The average weight of the Raju, Deepu and Venkat is 40 kgs. Both Deepu and Venkat have the same weight. If Raju's weight is 46, then the Deepu's weight will be. The average weight of the Raju, Deepu and Venkat is 40. So there are totally 3 members are there here. How many members are there here? Totally 3 members. 3 members weight out to average. Average is 40. How many members are there? Average means 3 members, that becomes 120. 120 minus the average weight of the Venkat Raju is given is 46. If you do subtract, you are getting 74 kgs. Remaining how many members are there? 2 members. 74 by 2, you are getting 37 kgs each. So the weight of the Deepu will be 37 only. The weight of the Venkat is also 37 only. Next. Now see question number 106. A man walked certain distance. He covered 2/3 of its 4 km per hour. 2/3 of the distance covered in 4 by 4 km per hour. The remaining 5 kilometers and the remaining 5 kilometers. If the total time taken is 42 minutes, the total distance covered by the person is how much he is asking. Very simple. So if you are taking this one as time, so how we are going to write? Time is equal to distance by speed equals to time is equal to distance covered by total distance. Distance covered is how much? 2/2 of the distance is covered by 4. So 2 by 12. So distance by 12. D by 12 you got. The second one also same. Second distance is the remaining at 5 kilometers. This is 2/3, remaining will be 1/3. 1/3 of the distance covered by 5, that means D by 15. So time taken, total time taken is how much? 42 minutes it is, they have taken the time. Total time they have taken is 42 minutes. So 1 hour 60 seconds, 60 minutes, 42 by 60. So we are getting the answer 7 by 10. Why? Because 7 6 are 42. Sorry, 6 7 are 42, 6 10 are 60. Now total distance time 1 plus time 2 is equal to 7 by 10. What is that? Is D by 12 plus D by 15 is equal to 7 by 10. Do cross multiplication. 15 into D become 15D. 12 plus D into 12D. 15 into 12 is equal to 7 by 10. 2 5s are 2 6 are 5 1s are 5 3s are 27D is equal to 3 into 6 into 7. 3 1s are 3 9s are 3 2s are 3 3s are 3D is equals to 14. Sorry, first distance is how much? Not 6 6 2 1 2 6 no, sorry, 6. 15 plus 6 become 21. 21D. This one we are getting here 6. Yes, 15 into D, 21D. See, 21D by 6 into 12 is equal to 7 by 10. 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. 7 1s are 7 1s are 6 2s are 12. Look here. What is T1 value? D by 6, D by 15 is equal to 7 by 10. D by 10. Now do cross multiplication. 15D plus 6D by 15 6 are 90 is equal to 7 by 10. 21D by 90 is equal to 7 by 10. 10 1s are 10 9s are 7 1s are 21D by 90 is equal to 7 by 10. So if you want to do, we can do LCM. LCM we are going to get the answer 30. 6 5 times 5D plus 2D is equal to 7 by 10. 7D by 30 is equal to 7 by 10. That's what I am telling. Correct only we are getting the answer. Simply we are doing that. Yes. So 21D by 90 is equal to 7 by 10. 10 1s are 10, 10 9s are 90, 7 1s are 7 3s are 3 1s are 3 3s are. D by 3 is equal to 1. D value we are getting how much? 3. The distance, total distance covered is totally 3 kilometers. Now see question number 107. A wire is bent in the shape of a circle of radius 25 centimeters, is straightened and bent in the form of a square. The circle shape of radius. The circle of radius 25 centimeters, straightened, radius made straightened in the form of a square. Find the length of the each square. Area of a circle pi r square is equal to area of a square. area of a circle equals to, sorry, bit, okay, perimeter. So what is the perimeter of a square? Formula is, what is circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. 2 into 3.14 into radius is 25. 2 into 314 by 100 into 25. 2 1s are 25, 4s are 4 1s are 4 2s are 2 1s are 2 1s are 2. Next, 1 carry 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. We got the answer 157. So perimeter of a square is 4s is equal to 157. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 3 carry 4 9s are 36.25. Each side is 39.25 centimeters. So each side is 39.25 centimeters. If a triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. This is from a triangle chapter, basic proportionality theorem. A, B, C, D, E. AD by AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. So AD by DB. AD by DB, okay, AD by DB BD. This is a reverse converse BPT. AE by CE. We know AC value 3 by 5 is equals to AC value. We have to find out AE value. AC value is 5.6. So this is a converse of BPT. Converse of BPT theorem. What is converse of BPT theorem? Triangle A, B, C, D, E. AD by BD is equals to AE by EC. This is converse of the basic proportionality theorem. We are on balance 3 by 5 is equals to, we have to find out the value of AE. AE by EC value, sorry, AE by AD by AC by AE. AB. So if you're going to substitute in this one, what you are going to get the answer will be 5.6. So take this one to reciprocal. 3 by 5 into 5.6. So 3 by 5 into 56 by 10 is equals to AE. 2 5s are 2 28s are 28 3s are 84. 84 by 25 is equals to AE. So 25 divided by 84, 25 3s are 75, 9.0, 25 3s are 75, 15.0. So nearly we are getting 3.5 answer. So the answer is 2.1 meters. Now see, which of the following is not a Pythagorean triplet? Now only 4 questions are left. 4, 3, 4, 5 questions are left from this one. Which of the following is not a Pythagorean triplet? So if you know the answer, please type the answer in the comment box. Which of the following is not a... See, 5 square plus 12 square. 25 plus 144, we are getting 169, which is a perfect square of 13 square. 3 4 square. 3 square plus 4 square means 9 plus 16, we are getting the 25, that is 5 square. 8 square 64, 225, we are getting 289, that is a perfect square of 17 square. So option D is not the answer. The perimeter of a semicircular protractor is, the semicircle of a protractor is 54 centimeters and its diameter is, we have to find out the diameter. We have to find out the diameter of the answer. Now see question number 110. What is question number 110? Perimeter of a semicircular protractor. Semicircular is semicircular only protractor. So semicircular formula is P is equal to pi r plus 2r. We know the P value per protractor is 54 is equals to pi value is 22 by 7. We don't know the radius. We have to substitute. We have to find out the r value. R plus 2r. 7 to the 14r. So I am writing over here 54 is equal to 22 by 7 r plus 2r. 7 to the 14. 22r plus 14r by 7 into 54. Take this one. 54 into 7 is equal to 36r. R is equal to 54 into 7 by 36. 9 4 ja 18 2 ja 34, 18 3 ja 18 2 ja 36, 18 3 ja 54. R value is 21 by 2. You are getting 10.5 centimeters. So the answer is 10.5 centimeters. The normal human body temperature is, now see question number 111. The normal human body temperature is 37 degrees centigrade. 37 degrees centigrade Celsius. Then the same temperature in Fahrenheit. So what we are getting in the same temperature Fahrenheit, you have to find out the answer. The same temperature. Very simple. We are having the Fahrenheit formula. Fahrenheit is equals to Celsius by 9 by 5 plus 32 degrees. We are already having the temperature how much? In Celsius 37 degrees into 9 by 5 plus 32 degrees. So F is equal to, if you divide 5 1 5, 5 1 5 plus 5 8 40. 37 into 1.8 plus 32. So 66.6 plus 32. We are getting 98.6 Fahrenheit. So the answer is 98.6 Fahrenheit. Now see question number 112. The diameter of a base and the height of the conical tent. This is the conical tent. The diameter is given 8. So if we make the diameter half, radius will become 4 centimeters. So length is equal to under root of r square plus h square. L is equal to r square, 4 square 16 plus height. Height is 3 meters 9. So root 25 value is 5. So length we got 5 meters. We have to find out the curved surface area. So curved surface area is 2 pi r l. Pi value is 22 by 7. Radius. So radius is 4 centimeter. L value is 5. We are getting 440 by 7. 1 meter square cost is 70 rupees. 440 by 7 into 70 rupees. 7 1 ja 7 10 ja 4400. We are going to get the answer 4400. We got the answer. Now see question number 113. If ABC are not 3 points on a plane, then which of the following is not true? Which of the following is not true? Yes. If AB3 are 3 points, which of the following is not possible? AB plus BC will be greater than, AB plus BC equal also, equal and greater than, but AB plus AC should not be less than AC. The last one is, the scale of a map is given is 1:30,000. If two cities are 4 centimeters apart from the map, then the actual distance is how much? So actual distance 4 into 30,000. We are getting 1,20,000 kilometers. Centimeters we are getting. Centimeters. 1 kilometer how many meters? 1000 meters. 1000 into 1 lakh centimeters. So 1,20,000 by 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 4, 10 by 12, we are getting 1.2 kilometers. 1.2 meters, we are going to get the answer. So we are getting the answer 1.2 meters. So if needed, we continue the sum of the problems. So this is about the methodology. In teaching geometry, which of the following is the correct answer, he is asking. Now see the methodology. Now I am showing about the methodology questions. Normally I'll read the answers and write the answers directly. In teaching geometry, the correct way of teaching a theorem is: what is first? Analyzing of the hypothesis, constructing, followed by the synthesis, followed by the synthesis of the proof. This one. In teaching geometry, the correct way of teaching is analyzing hypothesis and construction, followed by the synthesis of proof. The question number 116. The knowledge or skill acquired through the study of topic help in acquiring the knowledge or skill of another topic. So if you want to know the in Telugu, you can read the, this is called a Thorndike. This is the correct answer, Thorndike. A student teacher has written the following statements as specific of knowledge. People recall the formula to find the surface area of a cone. If it has to be done specification of understanding objectives, then it should be written. So I am showing the questions. You please go through the questions and take the answers. In this one, recalling the formula of surface area and volume of the cone and cylinder. Now see question number 118. Now question number 1. In learning, experiences are arranged in the decreasing order of the effectiveness. The Dale cone of experience. The Edge-Dale cone is known as cone of learning experiences. Cone of learning experiences. Now see question number 119. 119. You can see question number 119. Continuous comprehensive evaluation. In addition to scholastic achievements, if the behavior, interest in games, sports, literacy, attitudes are also assessed continuously, then the process is called continuous comprehensive evaluation. The last question of this paper in the mathematics is analyzing of logical statements. Analyzing is nothing but 1 is less than 100, 2 less than 100, 3 less than 100, 4 less than 4, all natural numbers. The type of logical sentences is called intuitive logic only. Intuitive logic only. That is the answer for the question. Now see next question. That's about this paper. Now we go for the another paper. Yes, now you can see another previous year question paper. A class of 50 students plays kabaddi or kho or both. Kabaddi, kho or both. If 30% of the students play kabaddi, 10% play only kabaddi. 30% of the students play kabaddi, 10% play only kabaddi. Then who plays only kho? how much percentage students are going to play Coco? 30%, as well as in that one only 10%. I think I am going to guess the answer. This one answer we are getting, the answer is called as 70. If you know the answer, please type the answer in the comment box. So if you know the answer, please type the answer in the comment box. Yes. Why? Because 30% already playing kabaddi. Out of this person, again 10% is from inside only, they are only playing kabaddi. From the 100%, if you remove 30%, the remaining will be answer is 70%. Identify the non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating. Non-terminating and repeating should be in the form of a power of m into 5 power of m into 2 power of n, or 2 power of m into 5 power of n, where you are getting the denominator, 0 in the denominator. Directly you can guess the answer, that is non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating denominator, if we are getting the value 0, after how many digits we don't know, after any more digits, if we are getting the answer 0, that is the final answer. What is the zeros of a polynomial? So x square minus 2 is equal to 0, x square is equal to 2, x is equal to root 2. The final answer is x value we got root 2. The equation through the zeros of the polynomial, x square minus 2. So we are going to get the answer x is equal to 0. Find for which of the value a and b following each equation has infinite solutions. So how to find out infinite solutions? We are having a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So this is the equation. A value we are going to get the answer 2, b value we are going to get the answer -1. ఏమైందే నాన్న? అమ్మ ఇప్పుడు 8 గంటలకు పోయింది. Now see question number 98. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 0. Secant theta minus tan theta value is how much? We are having secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. अरे इधर से आपेना ना. So secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta value is equals to 1. So if secant theta plus tan theta, so take this secant theta plus tan theta value as 0, take this to the denominator, then secant theta plus the tan theta value is equal to 1 by 0, we are going to get the value undefined. Two sides of a triangle is 4 cm and 5 cm. The perimeter of a triangle is given. Perimeter of a triangle is nothing, sum of all sides. 4 plus x plus 5 is equal to 13. X is equals to 13 minus 9 is equals to, we are getting answer 4. perimeter. So what is the perimeter of a triangle? Formula is, so if anyone knows the answer, please write the answer in the comment box. Under root of s into s minus a, s minus b into s minus c. So area, we have to find out the area of a triangle under root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. A value we are having 4, b value 3, c value 5. So s is nothing but perimeter. Perimeter, semi perimeter is a plus b plus c by 2. So 13 by 2, which you are getting s value 6.5. We are going to substitute all the values in this one. We are going to get the answer 5 by 4 under root 30. Here also there is no answer for this one. Answer will getting 5 by 4 root 39. So we are getting the answer. Here also we are having no answer. If you want to, you can write this one also as answer. Sorry, there is answer 5 root 16 value is 4, 5 root 4 by 39. Now see the question number 101. Now see question number 101. Choose the right combination of the letters for the values of the expression a square minus b square, where a comma b are odd prime numbers. A is greater than b. Odd prime number, that is 5 is greater than 3, 7 is greater than 5, 11 is greater than 7, like this. Always a composite number, always an even number, always an odd number, always a prime number. Yes, odd prime number, always an even number. Why? Because the process two odd numbers, if we add odd number plus odd number, we are getting even number. That is the logic in this one. Odd number plus odd number, we are getting even number. Now see question number 102. The length of a minute hand is 12 centimeter and the area swept by the minute hand is 15 minutes. Find its value in the square centimeters. So the clock is 12 centimeters. So radius is 12 centimeters. What is the area formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square. So angle is correctly 15 minutes. 15 minutes is 90 degrees. So if the 12 centimeter is like this is radius and 15 minutes. So 15 minutes you are getting exactly 90 degrees. 90 by 360 into pi into radius. 12 12 is 144. 9 1 is 9 4 is 4 1 is 4. 4 3 is 12. 4 6 is 24. 36 pi. So we are going to get the answer 36 pi. Now question number 104. Now just I am going to read the questions and just going to take the answers. See question number 103. Which of the following polynomial graph does not touch as x-axis? That should not touch as x-axis. It should go on y-axis. So if you want, you can solve this problem. Touching x-axis, it should touch only y-axis. That is question number 2, x square plus 5x plus 7. Why? Because here we are getting the triangle is less than 0. A line segment AB In the second quadrant of a Cartesian plane, the abscissa of A is less than the abscissa of B. Abscissa. The x-axis is called abscissa, the y-axis is called ordinate. The ordinate of B is greater than the ordinate of A. Then the slope of the line AB. The slope of the line AB will be always negative. A ladder is 4 meters. Length is placed against a wall such that the top of the ladder touches the wall half of the wall height. If the foot of the ladder is making the angle elevated 30 degrees, then the height of the wall. You have to find out the height of the wall. The height of the wall we are getting as 7 meters. Now see question number 106. Three metal solid spheres, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeters melted in the single sphere. Then the radius of the sphere becomes how much? Very simple. We have to find out volume of the cube. All the three volume of the cubes, if you are going to find out, you are going to get the answer again as it is 216. If you add all the three, again same answer, we are going to get the answer called as 6 only. Now see question number 107. If p x from x is equal to n square, n belongs to n is less than or equals to, find x from x is equals to n cube, and n is a number, n should be less than or equals to 5. So n is less than or equals to 5. Then intersection, p intersection is how many we are going to get the common numbers. We are going to get two common numbers. What are the two common numbers? 1, intersection power of 1, that one answer is 2. 4 men can complete construction of toilet in full 21 days. The number of men required to complete in 16 days. Very simple. 4 into 24 men is equal to men into 16 days. 4 1 ja, 4 4 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 6 ja. So m is equal to, we are going to get the answer 6. So how many days required? 6 days. Now see this one. The under root of 0.64 bar into under root of 36 bar. Under root of 0.12 bar, under root of 0.003 bar. So if you can solve this problem, we are going to get the answer called as 8. AB is a line segment. Next question. L is its perpendicular bisector. P is any point on L. Which of the following situation does not arise? Which of the following situations does not arise? He is asking. Yes, if anyone knows the answer, please type the answer in the comment box. PAB forms a scalene triangle. So we are having 4 more problems. By this we will end this session of the mathematics. A cuboid pond has length, width 40 meters. If 500 people taking dip in the pond, find the maximum rise in the height. If 500 people are taking in the height, you are going to get the answer 0.025. Now see question number. If sine 2a is equal to cos b, sine a equals to cos 2b. So what you are getting the answer is very simple. Cos b is equals to sine 90 minus b. Sin 90 minus b, you are getting cos b. Sin 90 minus b, you are getting cos b. Cos 90 minus b, we are getting minus sin b. So we are going to get the answer called as 1 by root 3. Now question number 113. Volume of the newly formed cuboid will be 8 times Calculate the mean. Mean, median and mode will be equal. Mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all are equal. One is plus, one is minus. So minus into plus by 2, you are getting 0. So both will be equal. Minus 1 plus 1 by 2, you are getting 0. So mean, median and mode, all the three will be equal in this one. So if you know the answers, please type the answers in the comment box. So if you know the answers, please type the answer. Read the questions clearly and write the answers in the comment box.